What do you do when your homies go to the bike park and don't invite you?
You call up that one sketchy guy that nobody rides with.
Enjoy nature's aromas. Have a delectable meal.
Animal being an animal. Oh, gourmet meal and a fucking joint.
Just the right amount of seasoning, special herbs, this mixed together cause a fine blend, my friend.
Spot some features to jib.
Shred some laps. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up. Find some lines and get sketchy. Cheers to some cold ones.
Fuck you guys. Bitches.
Good times, good times.